In this video, I want to identify major support and resistance levels. This can actually help you out when you are holding assets, just for giving you a good sense of where price could change directions based off what has happened in the past. So currently, we're going to be using Popcat as our example. Right now, we're looking at the top right here where price managed to just turn around and pull down. This level was at 95 cents. 95.59, and then the level in which you found support. These are two levels you really do want to keep in mind if you are holding this asset. So if you happen to be above 95.59, you're expecting it to act as support. If you are below that level, you're expecting it to act as resistance. And then, of course, at the all-time high, weekly candle close was $1.90. So that is major overhead resistance where even if you do get back above 9559, you would expect if you get back up to $1.90 that you would find a lot of resistance and possible sell pressure. This can actually give you a solid ground of areas in which it might be okay to take some profits. Other areas you would want to keep in mind while price action is moving is areas like this at 6444, where you did see a small pullback for a week before continuing to the upside. You also found resistance. After you fell below it, you stayed below it for 2 weeks before breaking above. And then, of course, you fell below, found resistance for an entire week before then moving to the upside. Noted, you also have this other level right next to it, which acted as resistance as well. So needless to say, you would be looking for price action to react at these levels. The weekly is a very good time frame to take out all the noise of all the other price action so you can see strong levels of support and resistance. Currently, the price has been falling on Popcat, and you're seeing how it's interacting with these previous candle high closes from the past. You are catching a lot of bids off of this level, and it is acting as support. If you want a little more detail, you can come into the daily time frame, where you can also find any levels that might be missing based off of the daily time frame. So this, you're seeing this level was not seen on the weekly, that was trying to act as resistance. You could possibly find some resistance on the way up, but if you do break above 88.75, you are expecting to hit 9559. Noted, if you fall below 644, you could expect to find support based off these candle high closes, because they did interact on the daily as support over here. So things don't always move in a perfect straight line. This is where traders like to find different areas to get into trades. This also can give you a last-ditch effort if you feel like you didn't get out in time and or get in time. These could be great levels for you to jump in or jump out of your current holdings. Hopefully this video helps you out. I'm going to try and keep all of these educational videos short, precise, clean. If you do enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I do plan on making multiple more videos on these educational topics if these videos do well. Anyways, I do hope you all are having a great weekend. Time of recording, Popcat is going through a little bit of pain, but you can see how right now you have lots of levels where you could come up to just for a retest if you are feeling a little underwater on this asset. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your weekend and a great week. I know the holidays are coming at the time of recording this video. Happy holidays. I will catch you in the next one. Take it easy.